The First Alert Hardwired Smoke Alarm with battery backup was designed to help promote household safety. Did you know that 3 out of every 5 home fire deaths resulted from fires in homes with no working smoke alarms? Or that a fire department responds to a fire every 24 seconds in the United States? Smoke alarms provide early warnings in the event of an emergency inside the home. This alarm is an ionization smoke detector that works exceptionally well at detecting fast-flaming fires such as those caused by paper, kitchen grease, and other fast-combusting materials. Did you know the #1 cause for disabling smoke alarms is due to nuisance alarms? The smart sensor helps to minimize false alarms such as those caused by cooking smoke or steam by distinguishing between real fires and nuisances. In addition to functioning independently, this smoke alarm can also integrate with up to 18 compatible devices, including 12 smoke alarms and 6 compatible devices such as horns and repeaters for coverage of larger spaces. If one alarm in the series is triggered, they will all sound, giving you the earliest warning possible. This hardwired alarm comes with a battery backup powered by a 9-volt battery, so you're never left without protection, while the included wire harness makes installation simple. The battery compartment is located on the side for quick battery replacement without the need to remove the alarm to replace. The perfect mounting bracket keeps the alarm secure over a wide rotation range to allow for perfect alignment, and includes tamper-resistant locking pins. On the front, you'll find the single-button silence and test button. This alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. So where should I be installing a smoke alarm? Smoke alarms should be installed on every level of your home, including the basement, and in every bedroom. It is recommended to place smoke alarms at least 20 feet from appliances such as furnaces and ovens, as these produce combustion particles. It is best to place the smoke alarm on the ceiling as close to the center of the room as possible, and minimally 4 inches away from any corners, as these are dead air spaces. If you're placing it on a sidewall, this is also acceptable. Keep the 4-inch minimum distance from the corner where the wall meets the ceiling, but also keep it within a 12-inch maximum from the ceiling. For more information, guides on installation, or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.